I need to make my homework.
No. We do homework, but we make dinner.
Oh, I get it. I will do my homework after I make a sandwich.
I like to listen music when I'm bored.
No, always use to after listen if you have an object.
Oh, I like to listen to music.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic. This movie is very interested.
No, the movie is interesting. You are interested.
I am interested because the movie is interesting.
Yes, you got it.
I have lived here for 2010.
No. Use since for a starting point and for a period.
I have lived here since 2010, so for 14 years.
I am waiting my friend.
No. Always use for. Say waiting for my friend.
I am waiting for my friend.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I speak English very good.
No, good is an adjective. Say I speak well.
Oh, okay. I speak English very well.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic. My brother is very high.
No, people are tall. Buildings or mountains are high.
My brother is very tall. Tall for people, high for buildings.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I have a good work.
No. Work is uncountable. Say, I have a good job.
Oh, okay. I have a good job.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I won my friend at chess.
No, you win a game, but you beat a person.
I beat my friend because I won the tournament.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic. I like coffee. And what about your friend?
He like coffee.
No, for he, she, it, add s to the verb.
He likes coffee so much.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic. I go to cinema.
No, for most places use the. Go to the cinema.
I go to the cinema and then to the bank.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I have 20 years old.
No, in English, you are your age. Say, I am 20.
I am 20 and my sister is 25.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
My mom is a great cooker.
No, the person is a cook or a chef.
My mom is a great cook, but she needs a new cooker.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I am teacher.
No. With professions, always use a or an.
I am a teacher and my girlfriend is an artist.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I very like pizza.
No, put very much or a lot at the end.
I like pizza very much.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic. I can't help you now. I have small time.
Hold on. Use little for uncountable things like time.
I have little time and a small problem.
Correct. Small is for size. Little is for amount.
The shop is near to my house.
Wait, what? Just say near my house or next to my house.
It's next to the bank and near the park.
Perfect. Don't add to after near. Why are you angry at me?
Small mistake. Use angry with for people.
Are you angry with me or angry at the rain?
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I am finally going to my house.
Not quite. Use home for where you live.
I'm going home, but my house is small.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
This supermarket has many clients today.
Hold on. Shops have customers. Banks have clients.
The customer is buying food for his client.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic. Let's stand in the tree's shadow. It's hot.
Nope. Use shade for the cool area.
We are in the shade, but look at my shadow.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I like to watch the paintings in the gallery.
No. Use look at for still objects.
I look at paintings and watch the people.
Exactly. Now you know one more grammar topic.
I don't like to drive in the night.
Careful. The standard phrase is at night.
I drive at night, but I work in the morning.
Correct. At night, but in the morning or afternoon.
I want to wear this jacket now.
No. Use put on for the action. Wear is for the state.
I'll put on this jacket. It fits.
Perfect. Next, I am agree. I want a big burger.
Wait, never say I am agree. Just say I agree.
Oh, I agree. This burger is huge.
Perfect. Next,